Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Gains HD, your home for daily XRP updates, analysis, and the biggest stories shaping the crypto world. I'm Liam, and today's episode is bursting with optimism as XRP claims the spotlight with new highs, renewed confidence, and bullish predictions for the rest of 2025. Let's jump in. It's official. XRP has broken above the $2.50 mark, marking a powerful comeback and cementing its status as one of the top 3 cryptocurrencies by market cap. This surge isn't just about price action. It's about a tidal wave of confidence sweeping across the entire XRP ledger ecosystem as legal clarity, financial innovation, and new investor participation converge like never before. So, what's fueling this renewed momentum for XRP? A large part of the excitement follows Ripple's recent settlement with the SEC. After years of courtroom battles and regulatory uncertainty, Ripple has agreed to a $50 million settlement, a significant reduction from the SEC's original $125 million demand. This outcome ends years of legal ambiguity, returning over $75 million to Ripple from escrow, and most importantly, vacating the previous injunction that restricted Ripple's business operations. As a result, investor confidence is surging, trading activity is up, and the stigma of regulatory risk has all but evaporated from the XRP conversation. Alongside this legal milestone is the return of XRP to major US exchanges like Coinbase and Kraken, making the token more accessible for both institutional and retail investors. This restored openness means more buying power on the table, and analysts note that XRP's market capitalization now approaches a colossal $130 billion, placing it firmly back among the crypto elite. But that's not all. 2025 is seeing powerful new innovation within the XRP ledger ecosystem. One of the biggest stories right now is the meteoric launch of Vaultro Finance, a decentralized finance protocol branded as the S&P 500 of crypto. Vaultro is pioneering the first decentralized index fund, allowing users to create their own tokenized portfolios, participate in governance, stake for rewards, and cut platform fees. It's all powered by Vaultro's native VLT token, with its pre-sale moving rapidly as early birds eye potential 30% gains at listing. The timing, with XRP at a multi-year high and legal clarity finally achieved, couldn't be better, fueling a broader boom in DeFi and tokenization across the XRPL. Let's talk price and what's happening on the charts. After starting the year consolidating, XRP has shifted to a strong uptrend, gaining over 10% in the past week alone, and now comfortably trading above key support as analysts eye a potential attack on its all-time high. Michael van de Poppe, a market veteran, highlights how XRP's move above the 1.75 the accumulation range signals the end of consolidation and the start of a fresh bullish phase. Technical analysts are pointing to a classic symmetrical triangle breakout, with some predictions suggesting that if XRP can hold above the $2.40 level, a run toward $15 isn't out of the question for later this year or into early 2026. And what about those long-term projections? Some crypto analysts are now saying XRP could reach 10 in 2025, pointing to factors like the end of legal battles, institutional adoption, rising trading volumes, the prospect of an XRP-based exchange-traded fund, and breakthrough global payment partnerships. Even conservative estimates now see XRP targeting its previous all-time high of $3.84, and possibly soaring much further if this bull cycle sustains its momentum. Legal clarity is also setting the stage for Ripple's broader vision, expanding their cross-border payment network, onboarding financial institutions, and taking a leadership role in tokenized finance. Industry experts credit Ripple's victory for opening the floodgates to more partnerships, technical upgrades, and potentially regulatory frameworks that will benefit not just XRP, but the entire crypto economy. But let's remember, this is crypto. Volatility can strike at any time, and XRP's momentum depends on continued adoption, strong technicals, and holding key support levels. Bears may point to signs of overheated RSI or call for corrections, but the overall market sentiment has clearly shifted back to bullish. So, to sum it up, XRP's 2025 comeback is powered by legal victory, technical innovation, surging market interest, and the unleashing of new DeFi protocols like Vaultro. Whether you're an XRP veteran or just now considering your entry, the current landscape offers more clarity and opportunity than at any point in the last several years. That's it for today's latest on XRP. I'm Liam, and I hope this deep dive has given you the insights and confidence you need to stay on top of the market. If you enjoyed today's update, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Crypto Gains HD, share this video with your fellow XRP supporters, and turn on notifications so you never miss another upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you tomorrow for another essential XRP news rundown. Stay bullish, stay smart, and keep stacking those gains.